Hello everyone, welcome to Waving My Life. In today's video, we are going to make something beautiful like this in today's video. Let's see how it goes. So as you can see, we are in a empty project directory, and to start with, we will do is exclamation tab which will autocomplete our HTML, and we will write draggable windows. Okay, and then in the body we will do the div of window, and then we will have div of say top bar, because we can drag elements using top bars only. So we will do that top bar, and then in the top bar let's just say hello, and there then have some body in the window, body lorem 20 tab. So let's just save it and see how it looks. Yes, that's how it looks. Now we will go to our style.css, but before that, let's just link our style sheet, link CSS, style.css, and in the meanwhile, I will also add my script because I often forget that script add the script. So app.js, let's just save. Now in style.css, let's just quickly reset everything. Margin 0, padding 0, box sizing border box, and font family Arial. Okay, then we will take our window and make it width 100 pixel, 200 pixel, sorry, 400 pixel, and height 200 pixel, background color, let's just go with this color, and let's just save and see how it looks. Okay, it looks good. So border radius of 20 pixel, let's just save that and see how that looks. That also looks good. Now we will design our top bar. Top bar. So top bar background color will be a dark color. I will go with this color. Border radius will be 20 pixel, 20 pixel, top left, top right, that 0, 0 for the other ends, and padding will be 10 pixel, and in the body also let's just add padding of 20 pixel and see how it looks. So this is how our app looks right now. So we will make this window draggable now. So for that we will go to app.js, and first we need to add an ID to our top bar as top bar. Let's just save that, and const top bar equal to document dot get element by ID top bar. Now, how the drag event will work is, if you put your mouse down, you click the mouse, then we will start listening for the drag. Then when the mouse drag is over, we just leave the mouse button. So that's what we will do. You will understand when I code this. Okay, let's just code it first. Top bar dot add event listener, mouse down. So on mouse down, we will do is get the E. And yeah, I forgot one thing. You need to position the window as absolute. Position absolute. Okay, let's just save that and see nothing has changed. Okay, So in the mouse down, we will do is we'll get our parent first. Parent element is equals to e dot target dot parent element, and then we need to listen to two events which both will be attached to window dot add event listener mouse move, and I will explain why we are doing this. Window dot add event listener mouse up. So when the drag is over, the mouse up event will be triggered. And in this trigger, what we will do is we will remove the two events happening. So let's just declare our two events. Function mouse move handler. Okay, we need the event object, and okay, let's just do that later. Function mouse up handler. So in the mouse up handler, what we need to do is remove these event listeners, because otherwise they will be firing every time. We don't want that. Once our drag is over, we want to end the drag. Okay. Once our drag is over, we want to end the drag like this. So what we will do is window dot remove event listener, and we need to pass the event move and the function which we want to stop. Mouse move handler, and also the mouse up handler will also be removed. Mouse up handler. Okay, and here we will do mouse move handler and mouse up handler. So to start with, let's just console log the target X and target Y, and e dot client X, e dot client Y. So let's just save and see the project. If you drag now, you will see a bunch of numbers. Okay, and this has stopped now is despite of me moving the mouse, because of this mouse up handler, which is removing this event listeners. Otherwise this mouse move will always be fired. So let's just say I comment this function. Now see what will happen. I have started. Okay, now I have left the mouse click, but still it is logging. Okay, we don't want that. That's why this thing, this function. Okay, so next we need to do is we need to get the parent bounding box. Let parent box equal to parent element dot get bounding box rect. I guess that's the function. Let me check just get bounding client rect. Okay, this function, we need this function because it gives a lot of information about the parent box. Okay, so this is first, then we need to store the initial X and Y. Let's say previous X will be e dot client X, and let previous Y will be e dot client Y. So let's just save and have a look how it looks. So nothing has changed here, and now what we need to do is there is some mathematics involved in it. So let me just write the mathematical code and then I will explain it to you. So what we will do is let movement x equal to previous x minus e dot client x, and movement y will be similarly previous y minus e dot client y. So let's just save that, and now what we need to do is to change our parent's position. So for before that we need to calculate against our parent's current position. So let x will be parent box parent box dot, let's it said I guess x minus movement x. Okay, sorry, parent box dot left, the left position of the box. Okay, minus movement x, and the y will be similarly parent box top minus movement y. Okay, and we need to set these positions now. For that we can take the parent element dot style dot top equal to y plus pixel, and parent element dot style dot left equal to x plus pixel. So let's just save this and see what happens when we drag it. Okay, so it moves. Nice, cool. Now one thing is left, is that now we can go outside the bounds. Okay, see, we are going outside the bounds. We need to stop that. For that we can add a few if conditions easily. If x less than 0, x equal to 0. If y less than 0, y equal to 0. This will handle the top left corner. See, now it is not going outside the bounds, but here still it is going outside the bound. For that, what we will do is, if x greater than window dot inner width minus of its own width, which is parent box dot, sorry, inner width, not width, width. Okay, then we will make it equal to that amount. Okay, and same thing for the y. Instead of width it will be height. So let's just copy and paste, and x y greater than inner, this will be height, height, and this will be also height, and then this will be height, and this will also be height. Okay, let's just save, and now see the box is being okay. So something is problematic. Oh, I forgot to change it to y. Okay, let's just save that, and now let's just see it is being bound inside our window. Okay, so let's just add a finishing touch by, let's just saying cursor grab. Okay, let's just save, and this will look much better. Now see the grab cursor, it will help you to recognize that this is draggable. Okay, that's it for today's tutorial. Hope you enjoyed this video, and subscribe for more such amazing content. Thank you.